So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Manulife stock on Moomoo. Once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search icon. Once you're here, type in ticker symbol MFC. The first option here, Manulife Financial. Now this is traded in US as well as Canadian. So if you're here in Canada like I am, I would press on the Canadian version. If you're in the States, press on US. We'll just press on the Canada one. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. On the buy page, you can adjust the session type, the limit types, or sorry, the order type. So there's limit, there's market. For example, you can also go to the quantity. So if you wanted to buy 5 shares of this, for example, you can see what the price tag of that would be below where it says amount. And if all looks good, press on the green buy button and go through it that way. Very simple, super straightforward. This is how to buy Manulife stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.